you guys doing?
Pretty good. Dude, I'm like, how do you get the snake to have like different, like only one color here and then a white on one side?
So pied. So
yes.
That's what's called a recessive gene. So you can breed. So if you were to breed this snake to like a normal one, none of them will come out looking like this. But if you breed those babies to each other, then you'll get snakes like this.
Gotcha.
So that's what the genetics is kind of hard to talk about, but yeah, recessive gene. Yeah, it's like you know what albino is? Like that's the easiest thing.
Yeah.
So you know how like two normal looking animals can make an albino animal?
Yeah.
So that's recessive. So they carry the recessive trait to make an albino. So that's basically how pied works as well.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So if you were to breed this to this, you wouldn't get any pied like that.
Gotcha.
But they would carry the genes to breed to make a pied themselves.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a lot of people like pied. It's very
what are they called?
A pied ball python.
Pied.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everything you see right here, so mahogany pied, that's a morph. That's what they're called. Yeah. So pied is going to be a recessive. Mahogany is another thing for the color and pattern.
How big do they grow?
These, about like 5 feet for a big one. Oh. Yeah, but like 3-4 feet is the more average.
Like you'll see an adult male size on that end.
Yeah.
That's,
yeah.
Like, that's how the males get, and the
females get big.
Get
bigger,
not too much bigger, but yeah,
yeah.
just a little thicker. Yeah.
But if they live in like a watery environment, do they get bigger?
No, it doesn't get the same size no matter what you put it in.
Yeah.
It all depends how you feed it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It all depends on feeding. You want it to be where they can eat it comfortably. It's just how often you would feed them. So like typically people will feed them like when they're smaller once a week, and that's like if you want them to grow
once a week,
big,
okay.
Yeah. Or you can get them to grow big faster, but some people also have snakes that'll go off of food when they're this size for like months, you know, and then they'll stay small.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. So like a lot of people, the misconception is, oh, if I put it in something big, it's gonna grow big. If I keep it in something small, it's gonna stay small.
No, it's the amount of
feeding. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Rats are like more fatty than mice, so like if you feed something mice its whole life, it's gonna grow a lot slower compared to something if you were to feed it like rats.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, so